Hello guys, what I'm gonna show you today is that you can make cheese in the ranch simulator. Now, cheese is gonna be made basically by turning milk. This can be cow or goat into a curd, then curing the curd in a cheese curing cabinet or a rack. And for this, you're actually gonna need several items such as the milk, a pan or a stove or compact cooker, and the curing cabinet or the cheese rack. So the first step that I'm actually going to recommend, guys, is for you to come here to the hardware store, as you can see, and this one to come to the items. And I just wanted to buy a couple of things, okay? In the food production, I just wanted to buy a compact cooker and a pan, okay? Just to make sure, okay? So just add these things to the car and just check out. So guys, in order for you to be as efficient as possible, I recommend you take these items, the compact cooker and the stop into the pan, into the trailer, so you don't have to travel as much, okay? Once you have your items in the truck, just make sure to close the gates, okay, so they do not escape. Now let's get to the trailer again, to the truck, and now we're gonna get the cow basically. Now, as you can see, guys, we are in the general store right now, and we're actually going to try to get our cow. So let's get to the vending machine. And as you can see, we have the dairy cow, which is exactly the one that we want to get, because we also have like the beef cow, but we're actually looking for the dairy cow, of course, to make milk. And you also want something like a milking machine or maybe like a milk can or small bucket, okay? Something like that. Of course, if you have like a milking machine, the process is going to be more automatic. Now, you have to keep in mind, guys, that you can also do it with like a goat, like a sheep, okay? But this is going to give you less milk per curd, okay? So keep that in mind. Okay, so I'm not going to show you like the whole process if you want to use like a milking can, which I think is the more efficient. So just buy the milking machine, as you can see in here. I just went in again and I bought the milking machine, which is this one here. And now what are we going to do? We're just going to place the can, the milk can, inside of it. Okay, just like so. You just have to press E to put it in. And now what I'm going to do is I just want to press, just go to the left of the machine and pick up this little suction thing. What you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to come near the cow and you're gonna have to press E to install. Keep in mind that you can also press E to kind of have a lease on the back on the cow, so you can actually manage the cow better. Okay, and this is gonna be very important because otherwise it's gonna escape. Of course, it's much better if you do this on the ranch itself, but I'm just using this as an advance or as an example. Yeah, I'm just gonna press E to install. And what's going to happen now is that it's just going to start to extract the milk. And, slowly but surely, it's going to try to fill in. Okay, guys, so just wait a little bit. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Of course, this is better if you do it in your ranch. Okay, guys, so keep that in mind. But yeah, this is going to work fantastically. Now, once you're done, once you're finished, I recommend... Now, I actually forgot to mention, but you also need a generator for this, okay? So for this again, you have to go to the hardware store and just buy like an electrical generator. And this is going to allow you to turn this on, okay? Now, once you have your milk ready in here, in the milk can, you're going to come up here. You're going to grab your compact cooker. You're going to grab the can and you're just going to place it in the compact cooker. And that's going to allow you to make curd out of the milk. And once you have your milk and then your curd ready, you're gonna grab the bucket. And now it's very simple because in each farm, in each house, you're gonna have like a small room which is called the the curing cabinet or the curing room, and that's it. They have like different shelves on them, so you just have to put like the curds and just let them ferment or let them make the cheese, okay? And this is pretty simple. That's how you make cheese overall. Thank you so much.